Hi everyone, Fix Appliances here. Today we will be telling you how to replace the door boot seal on a Whirlpool washing machine in just 5 steps. If you're interested in this and other helpful videos, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Before you proceed, make sure that appliance is disconnected from a power source. Unplug it and/or turn the breaker off before doing any repairs. This is the most important step. Now that we've mentioned that, let's get started. Step 1. First, we will remove the top panel from the washer. Once removed, unfasten and remove the screws from the front panel. Step 2. Disconnect and remove the user interface panel from the front. Be very careful when removing this panel. Watch for electric commutation. Unfasten and remove screws and bottom cover from the front of the main panel. After these have been removed, remove first retaining clamp that attaches the seal to the front panel. Now undo the screws holding the door latch and set it aside gently. Now you should be able to remove the front panel. Step 3. We don't need to replace any other parts except for the seal, so be careful during next steps. Disconnect the old seal from the water supply. Remove the second retaining clamp attaching the seal to the outer tub. Now you can remove the old seal. Look at how dirty and beat up this part is. It definitely needed to be replaced. Step 4. Now it is time to install the new seal. Let's skip unpacking and get to work. Attach the new seal thoroughly to the washer's tub and secure it by retaining clamp, and make sure the water supply is on the top near the water connector. It should be facing and located this way. Double check that the seal is firmly seated and its in correct position. Step 5. Almost done. Put back the front panel and fix it in place by fastening the screws. Place the latch back in. Secure the seal in place by the retainer clamp. Connect and install the user interface panel back into place, as well as top and bottom panels. Make sure to check that all of these screws are in the right places and well tightened once the panels are assembled. Great job! We did it! We hope that this video was helpful. Do you have any questions? Leave some comments below. Don't forget to hit that thumb up and subscribe. We'll see you soon.